Good morning turtles, good morning pandas and good morning dolphins. I hope you're all well. So another phonics lesson today and we're going to learn another new sound. But before we learn that new sound, yesterday we learned this sound. It was our trigraph because it had 3 letters in it. It had 3 sounds in it. Can you point to the part of your body that reminded us what sounds they made together? Did you point to your ear? It made the ear sound. The E, the A and the R made the ear sound that we learned yesterday. Well done. So we're going to learn a new sound today. Let's have a look and see what it is. Oh my goodness me. It's another sound, but with 3 letters, which means it's not a digraph, it's a, well done, it's a trigraph. It's got 3 letters, an A, an I and an R. And this is the air sound, the air sound. Can you say that? Air, the A, the I and the R make the air sound. Well done. Let's have a look at our first word that's going to help us. What's this air doing? Air, chair, air, chair. Looks like he's having a brilliant time spinning round and round. Can you have a go at using your robot arms to sound this word out? Well done. Once more, all together. Air, chair. Well done. Let's have a look at the next word. What are these? This is something that you might wear in the summer. You might wear a pair of flip-flops. A pair of flip-flops. They look quite comfy, don't they? I've got a pink pair of flip-flops at home. Can you have a turn at reading this word? Well done. Once more, all together. Air, pair. Well done. Let's have a look at our next word. Oh, what's this crazy person doing? He looks like he's got crazy air, hair, crazy air, hair. It's all being shaved off. Can you have a turn at reading this word? Brilliant. Once more, all together. Air, hair. Well done. Let's look at the next word. Oh, have any of you been to a fun fair? A fun fair? Fun air, fair, fun fair. This looks like a really fun merry-go-round. Can you have a turn at reading this word? Brilliant, well done. One more, all together. Air, fair, fantastic. Now let's have a go at writing this. So I've got my whiteboard and my pen again, and remember this is the trigraph that we're learning. It's got 3 letters in it. A, the I and the R, and together they make the air sound. So I'm going to have a go at writing it. So I'm going to do my A for apple. I'm going to start at the top, all the way back round to the top of my apple and down the stalk. My I for insect. I'm going to start at the top of my insect's body, all the way down to the bottom, and a dot for his head. And my for robot. I'm going to start at the top of the robot's head, all the way down his body, back up and over his arm. And I've written the air sound. All my phonemes are sitting on the line. They're not floating in the air. I've written the trigraph air. I wonder if you can have a turn at writing that. Right, let's have a look at today's today's challenge. Let's have a look at our sentence. I wonder how many air words we've got in today's sentence. Let's have a look. Oh, what is this clown doing? We've got a tricky word in this sentence. Let's see if we can read it together. I saw a clown at the fun air fair. I saw a clown at the fun fair. We've got one word with the air sound in it. Air fair. Have you ever seen a clown? Did you see him juggling? Was it good? So today we learnt the trigraph air. 3 phonemes that make one sound. The air sound. Well done. I hope you've enjoyed today and I will see you all again very soon. Bye.